Hi, today I will show how to crochet blanket for Easter. And I will use this yarn and I use this side hook. First we crochet one chain and now crochet 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And then this chain we crochet together. One chain and same stick we crochet 1 single crochet and next we crochet 2 single crochet same stick. Next 2, next 2, and then we work beginning. And then we keep this we crochet next together. One chain and same stick we crochet 1 single crochet. Next 2 single crochet same stick. Next 1 and next 2 same stick. Next 1 and next 2 same stick. And then we work beginning 1 and 2 same stick. And now we keep this we crochet this and one chain and same stick we crochet 1 single crochet. Next 1 single crochet and next 2 same stitch. 1, 2 and next 1, 2 and this stitch 2 same stick. 1, 2 and then we repeat and work beginning. After we work beginning and now we crochet together and one chain and same stick 1 single crochet. Next 1 single crochet. Next 1 single crochet. 1, 2, 3 and now this we crochet 2 single crochet same stick. Next 1, next 1 and next 1 and 2 same stick. And then we repeat and then we work beginning. and 1 chain, same stick, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 same stick, 1, 2, and next 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 2 same stick, and we work beginning. And now we have last row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 2 same stick, 1 and 2. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 2 same stick, and then we work beginning. And now we crochet 1 chain, and this part we only crochet half, like that. And next, this is one single crochet for each stick. And then we work beginning. After we work beginning, and now we crochet together. And now 1 chain and same stick. Now we crochet bow. We don't crochet half anymore, like that. And then we work beginning. After we work beginning, and now we crochet same, one chain and for each stick, 1 single crochet for each stick, and we work 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 row. After we crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now on the top we have 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42. And now we crochet 1 chain, one, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we crochet together. One chain, and for each stick we crochet 1 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now we crochet like that. And then we work beginning. And I have other video to show how can make flower. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Thank you so much.